Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the WordPress API. We'll start by understanding what the WordPress REST API is and why it's so powerful for extending your site's functionality. This API opens up a world of possibilities, allowing external applications to seamlessly interact with your content, users, and settings. It's a fundamental tool for modern web development, offering flexibility and control over your WordPress data. Next, let's dive into authentication and explore some key endpoints. For public data, no special authentication is needed. However, to manage protected content, you'll typically use cookie authentication within your WordPress environment or OAuth 1.0 for external applications. We'll look at common endpoints like the one for posts and the one for users, understanding how to interact with them using standard HTTP methods to retrieve or modify data. Now, let's talk about making actual API requests. You can use various tools, from client-side JavaScript with the Fetch API to server-side languages like PHP or Python. The process involves constructing a precise request URL, including the base API path and your chosen endpoint. Remember to add any required headers, particularly for authenticated operations. Once the request is sent, you'll receive a JSON response, which you can then parse to access your valuable data. Finally, let's explore some practical use cases and essential best practices. The WordPress API empowers you to build custom dashboards, mobile applications, or even integrate your site with other services for seamless data synchronization. When working with the API, always prioritize data sanitization and validation to prevent security vulnerabilities. Additionally, implementing robust error handling and considering rate limiting will ensure your applications are stable and perform efficiently.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.